Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I have brought for you another review about India's number one early preschool learning program, Einstein Box. There are many preschool learning kits for kids, but most trustable and affordable is Einstein Box. It is beautifully designed for 1-year-old kid to 12-year-old. So, this package helps parents provide best-in-class learning to their children in their crucial years. It focuses on creative learning, promotes love for books, it enhances their IQ, and builds up good habits and manners. So, what does the box contain? You'll get many delightful books, learning games, and puzzles in the kit, designed beautifully separately for each age group. It helps in boosting up child's mental ability and introduce them to the new world of learning in a better way. It contains many engaging activities, so it's one of the best ways to keep your child away from mobile phones and TVs. The kit is professionally designed with the help of educationists, helping your children learn something new. It keeps both parents and kids engaged in it. India's leading parents trust on the Einstein Box. So let's see what are its subscription plans. It's a 6-month plan. If you take this subscription, each month you'll get Einstein Box with 2 books and 3 learning activities. For more information, you can log on to www.einsteinbox.in or click onto the link given in the description box. Einstein Box overweighs other preschooling kits in many ways. You get a greater package at a very reasonable price. It's a one-time payment, so you have to pay only 3,594 at once. So subscribe now and get 40% off. Hassle-free refund. If you don't like the box, then you can return within 7 days and cancel the subscription. So what are you waiting for, guys? Subscribe now.